been sailing down the coast of Nova Scotia this summer. In the last episode, we left Prospect Bay in good time in the morning, and we carry on and we sail past Pearl Green Island, and we make our way into the Lunenburg Bay. And we find a spot to anchor in the Lunenburg Harbour. Another beautiful day. We get into the mouth of the entrance of Lunenburg. My wind is pretty light right now. Well, we're still moving it. What, 3.5 knots maybe? 4?
3.5.
Yeah. Along. I believe that is the Bluenose I'm looking at. I don't know if it's... So there's some. Well, we're gonna have maybe a fun time getting in here. We'll see. Then the wind comes up and away we go again. And now we got a swell from the runabouts from the cruise ship.
We are on a collision course with the Bluenose. He's a long ways away though. I think we'll be alright. You can hear his engine running yet too, so.
It's like a pretty wooden boat. Kind of neat to see, actually. This is almost worth getting becalmed, Mark.
Yeah, it is.
But they're motoring. Don't have the Bluenose pass by you every day, do you?
No.
Mark's sculling away and we are moving well. A knot and a half. After the hurricane, it looks like the leaves have withered. There won't be any colors on the trees.
And all the salt spray.
Oh, we're having a bit of fun trying to get in the harbor here. To get between those buoys over there. Get a little bit of a breeze come back up.
Sailing now.
Yeah, we're moving. The sails are filled. Just need the wind to stay for just a little bit. We can get our anchor down. We're getting there.
Yeah.
You tell me when to let go.
wind all of a sudden, man.
No, last wind, but we're still moving and getting around.
Run up there and flip that off. That shroud there.
Alrighty. Well, we might be sculling over there. Mark's taking the jib down. And we've gotten ourselves past those buoys. We got a puff of wind came up again. See where we end up anchoring. There's Highliner Foods. That's where your fish and chips out of a box comes from. And this is the home of the Bluenose that we passed earlier. Our anchorage in Lunenburg, and here comes the Bluenose back. Oh, feel the breeze coming in here now, Mark.
Yeah, all kinds of breeze now.
So we'll get the dinghy off and let's go do some exploring.
Yeah. Tied off.
So we rowed ashore to the dinghy dock at the Zwicker Wharf, and this is a good facility. It has everything you need. The town of Lunenburg is a World Heritage Site found in 1753. The buildings keep up the lovely East Coast colors, making the town look vibrant and alive. And many restaurants to choose from that do a great job at cooking up fish and lobster. And a lovely waterfront with a number of schooners to be seen on the wharf. The shiny wood here on the Bluenose.
Some of them, like Mimi Jane, I followed her on social media for a couple of years.
What's her story?
So she was built a couple of years ago.
Bluenose II school. Still.
Yep.
Does it? Okay.
Surf out like that. Yeah. Oh,
What's the charge for the?
yeah.
And how long is this? Oh, sure.
Fish and chips on the wharf. All these wooden boats around.